Some fishermen want the newest things on the market, but I like the older stuff. And taking it apart and putting it back together is part of the fun for me. Here's a Penn Monofil that I just picked up not too long ago. When I saw it, I just knew it was going to come home with me. It was just too interesting not to take it. The name monofil comes from the fact that the Penn Monofil was designed to accept monofilament line. That should tell you that this reel is fairly old. But for me, there's something about the simplicity of the design and just how it all works together that makes me excited to use these. Enjoy the rest of the video, and at the end I'll be back to talk about the next steps for this reel. So now that all the gunk and everything is kind of broken up around the reel, the next step for this will be a ultrasonic bath. If there's any interest for it, just let me know and I can make that as well. But after that will be a reassembly video, and that should be pretty interesting. You know the drill. If you like what I do, like, share, follow, and, come back to see more.